Alfred.
Me up here someone, you know a place.
I'm going to on someone. Bro, can't believe say enough for that me last night, brother. You don't know where I miss out on, you know, brother? Yeah, brother. I say, me want to lift up 3 buckler in this, you know. Before I even go all of that, me I'll rent car, you know, brother. You see me?
Yes.
3 buckler in this, you know, you see, yo, me I tell you, say, yo, today in one place, brother, only be a top shot did this, so, you know, brother. I mean, I tell you, say, some girl come with the Hennessy, them, you know, did it, you know. But you know, me I'm militant, so me did it. And the girl then come and say, where's the table? And I say, see, right there, so, and then put it down and sit, bro. Cause I tell you, say, we did a drink and say, when one man tell me, say, yo, look cross, when me look, I Keisha that, you know.
Sure. Ugly shit, but Keisha used to go to high school.
Ugly. You don't want to see my man more nice and sexy, brother. This a man about ugly and shit, but I years you don't see him, I remember saying I'm going to the house.
Yeah. Well, Keisha, alright, so I'm glad to see you go out and enjoy yourself, you know, but you know, I like coming really in a party business, brother, you see me? Yeah. I know I pay things are going. Next I go a party, man, I shoot up party, brother. Yeah, come in the hand, you live too much, you crash and could have slid, you see me? So, where the pan differently?
Bro, I tell you, I some Wi-Fi I want to use, you know, bro, I tell you the truth, cause boy, get some girl number for the man, man, I remember, I not pay Wi-Fi bill, you know, brother, and then cut off you, you know, bad man. So, yo, I some Wi-Fi I want, brother, I swear. Cause, yo, can't have their number and not text them, you see me? So, yes,
Take serious thing, that joke. So, yo, we go party and enjoy yourself, so, brother. You ain't care lift up much backla, Hennessy, brother. And remember, if you play internet bill, brother, you're easy, you know. You're easy, brother. I don't want 1 month or 3 months, you shall come to one time, brother. You put you in the face still.
mean, man.
You're easy, you know, brother.
Yo, bro, man, I tell you, the internet quick, you know. Yo, fast, man.
5G, you know. And not you.
Yeah, yo, bro. How which girl is that?
You need to do a top with some money. A party and rent car and Hennessy and put on plan on your phone, brother. That means you know come there and link there all the while about internet. No problem with figure still.
It come like a pre, man, you know, brother. A pre, me over your Wi-Fi, brother. Yo, me can pay, you know, brother. Yo, I'm money for pay back, brother. Me can pay, you know, brother. No bother go on like, you know, brother.
Kabel!
Hold on, Ali. Yeah, man, come upstairs. Get up.
Hi. We can talk to you 1 second downstairs.
Yeah, man, sure.
Kabel, I know someone come there for a little favor. But I'm meeting a serious accident and I forgot to do a brain scan for me. Last week, Thursday meeting, I accident and God no. I have nobody else when I could have got to around. Yeah, the first person come to me. I could even tell her over the phone where they distress me. And I promise I'm going to give her back still around 150,000 I asked her. Come on, what to do right now.
I know I can't believe say your mother meet in an accident.
Oh, one day for you, boy. Good in you.
I really appreciate this, and I really appreciate this way you did it for me. But when I mean for rush or anything, I will give me it now. Guys, me have to go back up to the hospital.
I hear what go on now. Virgin did they said we and not to one thing if you know what go on, so give me around 20 minutes. Come back home, come check me out. Yeah, man. Remember, no? Worry up yourself and I'm there for you.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Sashika, girl, I'm getting money from the little idiot boy, no. God no, I never know say I say the week. In week you fuck. Boy, somehow give me money 20 minutes after I come back. So we can go buy place now and go buy some food. I plan some more God don't you go first.
And I'm funny in the youth. They are today and they are tomorrow, you know. I know me I tell you.
Yo, I say go man, but yo, how would I catch it there, brother? Yo, some clump up in a brother in a shots in a brother. How would that, bro?
Come on, it's easy, you know. Now, so I'm making this string though.
Me?
Yeah, man.
So yo, you can't bust me.
Boss. I know about that, brother. You don't say, oh, nice, it could be you and me know still. Yeah, man, a nice girl. Yeah, nice. You ain't got to choose some things. Because his mother meet in a accident. So you know, say she don't want to dark place right now, isn't it? Yeah, bro.
Boy, sorry for hear about that, but brother, it sound like I'm a right man for his job, brother. And I see it, and me can be light in a tunnel in a bad man. You see me, can take care of him and sitting, brother. You see me, because I can pay up the bills and sitting, brother. You see me, and you go and like say, oh, you know, say you don't rate me. You don't rate me, you know, brother. Because look how your girl look nice and sitting, brother. Me feel in for your life right, I know, you know, bad man. So you can't set a link for me, bad man. Just bust me, brother. But bro, yo, man, I show you a pre in a bad man. I see if I like your girl, brother, you make better you tell me now, make a prosper, you know, because any of me good as say, you know, bad man, you know, say me have to get her, you know, brother, you see me, because we no lapse in that the department there, you know, brother, say, yo, let me know from no, brother.
Man, I come and never pay for internet bill and tell me, bro, take care, brother. The girl come like, I'm a sister, bro, big man thing. If they look her, I look her and get her ready, brother. You see me? But yo, you can't try your luck still, brother. Because you never know the luck of a lousy cat. And it's a nice girl. I now take that for her. I want a nice girl, brother. You see me?
Sir.
So,
Yes,
you can't do your thing.
I ask you.
Yeah, man.
I can't say me never ask you, you know, because yo, between me and no friendship, this a thing I mash up, you know, brother, with girl and thing, you know, I don't want that come between we, you see me? Yeah, so yo, brother, me I tell you, say, anyone me see that the girl there, brother, me have to find him. Me have to find him. Instagram, anything, me have to find him, brother. You see me? Yo, I come like a joker, you know, brother, because look how it clump up, man. Eh? And you know, beg him in front, brother. Oh, sister, but yo, ask you. Can't say me never ask you, you know, brother. You see me? So, cool, you see me?
Boy, they Karen.
Watch out, Lisa, what?
Lisa, what go and look for what me rent there.
I put your thing, me should have put out your things them. You're there, so come about what go and Lisa. How much money you owe me, Karen, in a rent? How much money you owe me in a rent, Karen? Your things them should have out there, so. Out of gate, you should have come see them. You come and contact, but me know your face, you shoot, you think me not there, I know. I think you think me not there, that's why you come here. But me tell you something, me that plan for you, me that look out for you. But me tell you something, I want my rent money.
Lord God, Lisa, take
today.
time now.
No.
You have to make everybody know, say me where I want to look money up on the road, me go. I'm going to start out want to look money. Just give me a little more time now, you still get the money. Please, me ask you, give me a little more time.
Time? One more time you want. You not pay no money, you not pay me no money January. You not pay me none February. And 1 month we now, you know, March. One more time you want. One more time. Me need my money today as you get put out.
Hold on, Lisa, and I have to reach so far. I just come off the road. I just run go up here and beard and put on some clothes. If you get the money, later on, I sort out here, we get that thing.
What you say? You go beard, sort out yourself, and go up on the road, sort out for me get that money. When me I get the money? When me I get the money? When me I go get the money? When? Next 3 months from this?
Calm down yourself. Now let me tell you, today me I give you money.
Me not get no money from you today. You get put out. You see that lot there?
I'm fresh. I'll go up on the road. I go sort out one little thing, and you get the money, man. You know,
so
if you be so rough.
I give privilege because you're a woman like me. So go on, go wash up your crutches. Oh God, think you man, you didn't go on me today, yeah. Because
Relax, man. One tea. What wrong with you? Watch out.
Yes, please, my honor.
One tea. What problem? What happened to you, Kayla? What problem? What happened?
We do what?
You mean say we do what? What make me have to talk to you over and over and over again?
What you talk about? I don't know what you are talking about.
See there? And that me a talk about. Hello? And that me a talk about. See there? In your phone.
You love make a big deal out of everything. I just look a message me and answer.
No need to see that girl. I don't talk about that, you know. I start me talk about the focus. We have to focus on the style. And that me talk about. Me concern about the business. We barely make the money and start already. We barely make the money. And the reason why we don't make the money is because you're always in the phone and text. When people come and start, you don't pay attention to them because you're in your phone. And you make the money and start, you know. You make the business and go on with that. You cause all of that.
Because of me. I do my part. You just always depend on my case over everything. I'm tell you that.
Me depend on your case. Me depend on your case because we need to survive. Because mommy and daddy not there, so we need to work together to make ends meet. You understand me?
Me know. But me don't want to spend the rest of my life as still a star. I want to go back to school, go meet new friends and have a normal life like any other young people.
Me understand that. Me understand that, but you understand that. So we can't depend on phone all day, I text on phone and not focus on the style. Because we have to work hard. We can't sit down and wait for things to happen. We have to work hard for that.
I know the money energy and the principle.
Sure, say I want it to happen, G. I remember saying, when them things happen, brother, police are got involved, you know.
Brother, a Westmoreland the G come from. Want a program run for him today. And another that alone, you know, say better if me use your phone and call and me get the boy show say a styling thing in the pan.
Our situation is done situation already.
Well, you know, you get the nicest job. You stump on beach and watch your sexy lady them a pass. People not even like drown again like one time. And me have to sit down and I ask people what them want to buy and them not even care, them out to disrespect me. You get the nice job. You not experience what me experience at daytime.
The easy job. And me get the easy job. Come on, Pitney man. How were you there when time people come out of the water, we get stung by jellyfish, sea urchin pop up on the foot and stuff, and me have to attend to that. You now gonna spend time to see that. You talk about pretty girl, you're there in your phone every single day. Me can turn my head from the station and look for you in your phone every day. You tell me about pretty girl? Come on, man.
You can't go and talk. Enough time I sit down and stand and watch you. I look for them and you smile and we around there so you all are quitting them off.
Watch out now. I have to follow up the argument in there, but you're done. I have to follow up the argument. But you may say them to you now. More you go back and start. And we'll pay attention. You understand? I beg you, please pay attention for the business today.
Sure, you go down there.
Go on back and start and talk to me like that. Go on back and start.
Here, no? Here we have. Use your phone, see? And call him and say if you not get him, I use my phone and call him. I say if I get him with my phone, run operation for him, see? Fixing business. So you have to give him a call first and see if you get him. If you not get him with your phone, you have to use my phone, see?
Feel a joke, man. See the phone ring, you know? See the be a joking man there for me. See they gone to voicemail now. Show you say be a joking man there.
After nobody know I know. And he want me to say, when expect me to do more than what I'm
Call my girlfriend.
Hello, baby, what's up?
You're fine job doing, you know, hard work as always, and you know things are alright. Boy, every time I have to talk to her, just pure problem man, like, you know, pain my butt. But I'm still a one do me have to do. You know, me a big brother, I have to do my thing, you know, it go already.
Use my phone and call him and see if I get him, see? Use my phone, see? And call him.
You can take a break from work sometime, you know. You don't have to just stress yourself. I love you, babe, so I don't want nothing happen to you. And you know, say the other day my uncle did contact me and tell me say it's gonna need 25,000 more to legalize the bar. So the business get straight, our police know how we up and down so we can make some more money. Jason. You know, so me I put enough effort in this year work for me and you don't it.
Yeah man, I know B. I know say I did everything, man. I know that. And I just want to know say I really appreciate it. Trust me, I really and truly appreciate what you do for me. General. Cause I just, you know, say it kinda really hard out every day my day I work and it's like I don't really see nothing, you see me? I don't really see nothing. But guess what I'm on a life still now. That's a life set still, you see me? And B, hold on there. Somebody will call me. Soon call back, give me a minute there. Hello?
You the boy answer. Yo! What? My money there. Remember you don't know what talk to your skinny brother. Just...
Oh, I think that's skinny. What go on, man?
Want my money reach me today or else.
No, I don't know, say I work on you, brother. I work on you, man. Trust me, I work on you. Just that, you know, things tough, brother, and I'm looking to take care of sitting my you. You know, things kind of tough, brother, but me I work on it, man. Trust me, I work on it.
A month me I work on the money, you know. I know I hear boy and your sister. So this is not gonna happen to you today. Today there, yeah. Or else, I will see what I want. You see me?
Skinny. What are you going, star?
Yo, you know what dog, you call me dog now, you speak.
Yo,
What go on, me dog?
no, says I move me I go up on me general.
You know, so I have a little work, see, mash. Yeah, man. I wish part you said again.
No, I'm Blueface the man, them, man. We work at the public beach.
Alright, you wanna? I'm charge you come in there and show me a little vibes and when you walk over the beach, you see me over the public beach. You want a little mission to match film, so you wanna give you the work.
So much that they work, they are pay so.
Don't worry about the money, man. The money I lease, man. Don't worry about the money part. You see?
Me a park the local bike and go deal with it. Send me a picture.
Yo, when you reach, you just call me and I'll send you the picture. Yeah. Alright, let's do that. This is youth and I'm missing on the dream. You see, alright, watch it. See, as soon as you reach and call me, you're going to hear about it.
Yeah, you know, some come up with the player. Nah, man, everything alright, everything good. You call about the good. Same.
Alright. Like, seriously?
Yeah, they what's for this?
$400, sir.
I too dear, man. I can't go cheaper than that, man.
No, sir, that's for my things. If you don't want it, just kindly put it back.
Oh, man. I beach just don't want to go. People come to enjoy themselves now, so I can't go with a price on this. People are stressed out on the meal price of this, man.
You're not easy, sir. If you not pay that, put it back down, please. Put
Need
it
it,
back
man,
down.
so you give me a better price.
No, I that for it.
So how much for the bun?
$200, sir.
I reach you and reach off of it. Eh?
What you mean?
I beach just enough. My girl. People come for eat a bun and drink a drinks and you sell them so dear, man. Come down with some better price.
Listen to me, sir. You see, if you don't have the money to pay for the things there, I can kindly put them back, please. Because I not change my price to please you. I'm sorry.
So I don't make no money, you know. Yeah? Alright.
Look how long are there, sir. And if I want something to buy, just a whole lot of time. If I can't afford the things, then I just put on something make somebody else
That's
buy.
how I can't make no money, man. It's alright.
Sorry about that. I saw them come here all the while, come talk one bag of something and them know them can't afford the stuff. But the way they look to buy
Sorry yourself, man. I know where road run, man. I just want a bottle of water and one stone ginger wine, please.
What stone ginger wine?
No, hot.
Yo, me G. Yeah, man, me send you the picture. Check your phone, man. Me send you the picture of the youth. Yeah, man. Me send you the picture of the youth, man. See me, I say, so just, you can just do your thing. See? Yeah.
Are you want to run this style here?
No, sir. I'm here, my brother, and my lifeguard over on the beach.
Okay, my name is Karen. What's your name?
Okay, my name I know, but everybody call me Tala. So I bring you come a beach today. We come a beach, come to chill out.
Yeah, man. Chill, me come a beach, come chill. One bag of things up on my head. Just come to come steam off something. You know?
I understand what you say sometimes. I feel like go some other stress. So around here you come from?
I'm not really around here I come from, you know. I'm not too come out, you know.
So you have to do it sometime, girl. You have to stay in.
Anyway, nice to meet you at all. No, if you want exchange number with me, we can hang out and be friends.
Yeah, man. You want to take mine or you want to give me yours? Because I will want to live here, so if you get the chance to live, yeah, we can hang out. Karen! Yeah, left a stone ginger wine.
Thank you, later.
Alright.
So I'm going to kill her. So,
I can't feel
nothing sell if I stall it. Nothing sell it.
I want me to you.
Nothing wrong in everything good, man.
I want a lady come here, come buy one water. So what do you?
Everything good, man. But I just want to know, say, boy, you know, you have focus on things and you can make a money, you know. But you know, I go down to places to watch people, you know, so go and date me, you know.
You want me to make a long so?
Hello, miss. Are you on the staff?
Yeah, how you want?
What's the enough thing what I want to do, move my boy? You know, give me a dragon now. So what you name, mama?
So what? I want to make you want to know my name.
So, yeah, leave me some, mama. Just want to know your name, you know. Sister, you are in a style, and my sister, you know, if you make one little money now and then, you see me? So, like that. I want to show you one other way, see me, if you can make some other money on the side, see me.
So which other way that me can make some more money? How about that? No, no bother with it. Go and do your business with the one day. Now do that.
You're going to get for the guns. You see me? You're going for the guns.
And me, you want police come down here, come haul and pull? No, I prefer sit right here and go and juggle them little something here from the start. Me alright.
I hear me since you go there, so you know. Just want you to think about it, you see me? Give me number, make you give me a call, man. You see, pray? Yeah, man, just think about it, man. You see me? Yeah. Give me a link, man. You see it?
Yo, brother, you know, some people are going to detail, but I want some money for a fine, you know, bro. Yeah, man, important, man. I want some money for him. I want some money.
That is my time, money for borrow. I mean, you want him from to borrow. You not even tell me what I go on. I have bridging. I like you, for what you say, I move away, but you still not tell me what I go on. Where are you with money?
Oh, man, you know, so I do some things, brother, I have to deal, man. I do some things I have to deal, man. You don't really have to worry about it, brother. Because make sure you reach your back. You see me, I say, but I do that. I do some things I have to do. I don't really want to chat about it, but trust me, man, you'll get back your money, brother. You'll get it back.
I know you not tell me what I go on still, you know. Because you tell me say you want money to borrow. You don't show me nothing and make me know what I go on, you know. How much money you want, sir?
You know, say I want 55,000 to borrow, though, bro.
55?
Yeah, man.
But, brother, you know me, I do the same job, I know a little money we get. You have to work around 3 months to get that. So me I go find like the money left from me, I know big deal, man. 55, as much as me I have bridging. 55,000, no boy, you know. And you know what's a fully pips at work, your hand too much.
Yeah, man, yeah, brother. Make you stay ready, that's good, man. Everything good, man. You see me? You stay, man. Everything good, man. Me match you like that. That good, man. Respect, stay. What you want now? We can go back to our post here, man. Alright? But respect still again, you see me?
Right, that's well, because we kind of done that for long. You know?
Yeah, man. Respect, brother.
Alright, brother.
What you mean, Blink? A long time when we were in the street, you know, you're there, so, brother. I remember how you think you used to run one time, you carried it up there, so. I want a good idea, brother, for your holiday. And do your thing, you know?
Yeah, man.
Be real, man. You know what I mean? I love
catch
that.
back your thing, and my fans, them love me. That's why things are original and cat. You know what I'm saying? Business, they moving supermarket, right place, right price.
Original
Welcome to Duffy's Beach.
Original name, yeah.
Original name for the beach, for the people them know that cat this for a long time. You understand? Yeah. Welcome to Duffy's Beach. My friend them there, lifeguard there. We have a time for business, we have a time for friends show.
Jason,
Come
here.
Too far, man. I got too far.
boy. Bring. What that bling in here so like I want gunshot?
Yeah, man.
I'm like right up the side now. Yeah.
Alright.
I wonder what happened with it.
Yeah, man.
Hold on, something wrong, man. Something right, man. Yesterday shoot somebody up the road, me I go look at who and see how they shoot. Me don't know. Back up.
I wonder who gets shot. Jesus. What round this room, man? Run that room, man. No, I'm gonna bring him to the hospital and just get shot. You see so hear from him, man. I'm a brother. And then call the ambulance. No.
Yo, see the dog a call back. Yo, where you see her going on the G? Yeah. Alright, I see a road, man.
Alright, calm down yourself, Tal. Them a rush him to the hospital. You don't have nobody at all can go to the hospital to assist him.
No, I just sit 2 hours alone. Not even know me I go do right now.
You tell me say I have nobody at all, nobody at all to call. No. Alright. Go sit down right there. See, I'll make you sit in here from here. I'll go best and come back. Sit down right there.
John, what's time, mama? Can't believe me get to find out say brother that the man they will get shot, you know. You see me? Can't believe say they get shot. So where are they, sir? Oh, you know the hospital for check out if the dog good and them really check if him alright and check if him dead or find out if him alright, you know?
I want my friend them here wait pan people and look for them.
Yeah, so when I go to eat, you know. Doctor really expensive with when I get gunshot and them thing there, you see me, cause them thing they very expensive, so where I go to know. See the thing we I tell about earlier on today, you see me? My best way right now that would help out right now in my best way, you see me? I swear to you, would help you out right now, cause hospital fee for gunshot not cheap, you see me? So right now that would be the best thing right now for you. Help you out right now, help out your family, help out your brother right now. Cause me know you don't want your brother for dead right now. You see me? Here what I gotta do now, mama. Zine, big man thing, cause I need one time to set people on me, cause you don't know where I feel the world, you see. When you go down to the hospital, find out how much fee, check up your brother, how much it costs, and them things there. And make me know what I go on. You see me? Because I can't stay here right now, you see it, so I don't drop off a thing to get to you, see it. You see me, that will help out the family, man, for now, man, you see it. Alright, now people, movie not finished. As a matter of fact, it's a movie series. and it is not completed as yet. But here what I go on now, here what I go do for me, because I know say a movie you like the entertainment. You go, before you click like on this video and subscribe if you not subscribe it, you go down in the comment section. You see the pin comment, it is going to have a link that will take you to the channel that will have, that is where I plan to upload the remaining episodes. So you go click on the link, go over that channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell and just stay tuned. Movie can't done it, people. Amount that we need to find out what I go on with Karen and the rent at a one. We need to find out what I go on with Kayla. How she go manage her now. If brother not survive then in the hospital, and then the youth them go finish off the job if him actually not dead.
Yes, you're rude. I'm not here now. Get in that caliber.
Mommy! Oi, sorry I know my name so far. What me I know?
Me not ask you if you have good night on.
Yeah, me I go down in night town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me I go down there walk my way walk.
Not true, me do you want to buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
I the money I save up from school.
So what on there? So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure no plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of my place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right? Because me not understand you just interested to find out if me are the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm going to come back off the road and you know something. I'm going to come see nobody in my yard and you know something. I'm tired to talk to you.
I'm not going nowhere. I just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss so.
If you like, give me something to talk about and cuss every day about. Mona just a cuss, I get up a cuss like my mad so.
But mommy, me simply ask you something I come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That may I tell you.
I simply ask you if you go somewhere, come want to buy something for me. I come go. No, babes, I can't come now. My mother there, so I'm going to tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. I can't come. Alright? Love you too.
Odien! 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 Oh, you're there! Chanel!
Yeah?
Come here then. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to take out the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you don't left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in here today,
You hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight, Tone, again? Where do you say you want?
I never want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go in my soup. I have to take out the something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? I'm here, there you go.
Your mother don't have them here and go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how you live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. No. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? I'm you, especially I just like you because I hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them I want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Hey man, she come like a sister to me. Red channel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell herself to take out the chicken. Remember to take out the chicken and take out the clothes off her line. Here. Alright, I want to be able to sell till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures and show me how I come get them. And I'm about the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in and bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel! Who that? How are you? I just see your mother up the road. She said she going to her town, sir. I'm supposed to go to her town, you know. I never know say you have stop by. So like you have plans, so like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes off the line. So where you go? Girl, I tell you that I told me I go deal with something. And by the way, which plans you have talk about? Everybody just watch me so. And me alone can't go do nothing. Excuse me, and I have food now so we can eat.
I'm going to girl, man.
Long time I don't see you too.
Bye, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good one.
Long time I don't see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much clothes you have found there. You have to go wait because my friend there, I never know if she don't stop by. But I'm not that fat still. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see you and can't see it for me.
I never know so should I stop by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop asleep, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! Chanel! Chanel!
Shall I call me?
Chanel! Yeah! Chanel! Yeah! We are coming so for somebody there?
But take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. I should have allowed the lawyer. You can't get to me and help them. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. You come and guani.
I know you are come talk about. You see because sun act and talk about rain and go fall.
But they're nice, man.
Me have more around there, so look at juice here.
I'm not hungry, but the patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it.
So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it.
Look at sun draws me up and little clothes and I have to pick up and go and sleep.
Did I use the sun not hot?
I told the time they look overcast. I want to sleep.
Out of the front. You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't see me at the house. So hurry up.
Dirty boy, she want to go with me. I go to boy there now. If I'm mad at this, I'm moving now. I see you with the dirty boy again. I hope you use condom. How we you talk about, Abby? After me not go do nothing, I'm going to town, me go. You hear me? I warn you. The man that can't give you nothing. Remember say you're underage and a big old man that. Girl, remember me I want you and a workless man that. Him workless.
Me I come go in here because you can't go and chat and believe what you want to believe. Because me I tell you some girl and I told me not go do nothing.
She's not there here. Look, if you come to another mother. Because she done broke up in nose and skirt. I'm going to help her because she's not here. I take me for idiot. You come here and call me and you know so she's not there. How for this? Most of the boy that made this up at the gate last night. And most of them drop it out there. No, you know. No, you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think you like me like it when me I tell her this, but me I tell her for your own good. She say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this.
But watch ya, give me something man. You're gonna have for me and for your money by it.
Just me really just.
Money for fix on my TV. Even I know one I gonna get me 30,000 for fix on my TV, but I want it back, you know. Because the TV around there, so I'm my little fun and enjoyment. That to hear me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. One could have worked, but I long now come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war boy, you know. Because you look a pitney. I know say he's very prime. Come, hey. I don't know, you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? Because I can't fool she's not war over and mash up on my TV. What really a fight over? You ain't talk to me.
You want me to tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened?
I don't know what you want to talk about this. But that hurt me right now, you know. I'm going to lay down.
Somebody what really go on. You have to plan to tell me what really happened.
When you know what go on, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I just saw the ticket go. Fly high, fly low, mark it down 10 in here. When I have to go find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must foolishness to now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I foolishness to now war over. I mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know, man? Fly higher, fly low, not forget about that.
Hello? Sorry for the fight. Really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends from a long time. Understand that, girl. Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, don't have to whisper. Yeah, and out there can come. Alright. Alright. No, I know. No, someone wanted. I want that now. I'm pregnant. Yeah, breed? Yeah. After the same dirty boy me that one about?
Yes, you see one.
I tell about him, you know? I tell about him. So your mother know about this?
My mother can know about it. Remember, say me young. My mother can't know about this.
So what you plan to do? Keep it or dash it away?
Me I keep it. I don't have money for that shit pitney, so.
So you feel like you're ready for one pitney?
I'm not ready for that pitney because right now I'm now work. And if my mother find out about the situation, you know what time it is.
The best advice I can give after dash it right now.
I don't have the money. I give me some money.
I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do.
Because I say my mother can't know about this. But now work, plus, girl, my mother can't.
So, what you going to do? You don't know the man that and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage.
Girl, right now I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
And I know I did that one about the boy. I tell you.
Babes, what going? But then, you don't miss me? Yeah, I miss you too. Hey, you don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You know, don't know, man. You know, so me now a little spot though. I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make a do. I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, see, I plan to travel. Yes, I mean, we can't wait for you to come. But you wanna be able to, you have to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you don't know, say, my time of the month, you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even know this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you girl, man? I don't tell her the yard.
Madam, hello? Hello? May I come to Mother, yeah? Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I'm not on, she plan to put you out, you can come stay with me.
How are you today? You know you're not me a call you, I'm not trying to say this left yard. Eh? Much time tell her left yard. Anyway, my friend there when they go down I was streaming and I go collect little food there for me.
Should I know this, sir?
I want you to link her because I have a piece of money more she go collect for me, you see?
Alright. Hello? How are that then? Alright. Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you now. Ain't nothing no. So I wait to look on my phone and I as me I come. How? I'm gonna text up on phone. Well on as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see it. Mister, give me your phone, man, give me it. Hey, pull the phone, pull the phone.
See the money that do nothing.
You need to do nothing no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out how you're up to, you know, I must find out here. You say any day, name day, I find out say a man you have little girl, let me tell you this. You might go straight to prison, that may I tell you. Hey, me even talk. You say if you ever breed na this girl, me tell you something, your grand people, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got a tongue go sell bag juice, because you're not staying here with it. And that may I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for doing that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think say me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. How are you? Come in out there, son, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there do something. Now call her come back here.
Ice milk. Hello? So me I call you from the other day, I nah get you. From me have sex, me I call you nah answer you for me nah get you. I want me. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? So that something me a do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how your love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something I check on the phone. Something I check I don't mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the saw wait for you all long. So here what? See paper here the information. We're gonna call it the something 160,000, not $1 less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me I tell you go on and come back.
So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it?
Girl, not for me if I say me a breed. My mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother.
But girl, I can't keep this for long. I can't keep that secret to her for long. I say your belly I go show you know.
Mother don't say girl, come like you want my mother to hear.
You stand there. You look at me. Anyway, take it to I go find her.
But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to go now?
I mean, I need to change my dress. I have to change back this and put on my dress. Girl, I don't know nobody saying I go breed. You done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, what are they? Good? Ah, cool.
Yeah. I have to tell her.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother.
Cause when I tell him the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed.
Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused.
You like a money are the problem, but yeah, I have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you not have no more penny for the rest of your life, so.
Here, I'm not here. Just come to me.
Alright, girl, come and show me.
Girl, I feel like something for taking my money to deal with something.
Deal with what?
The pregnancy for dash with the belly.
Girl, you're mad. Mama say me I collect money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out.
But just to ask, anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. Cause I just ask me to ask.
But girl, you know you could have never asked that. Anyway, that is a stupid question.
Dean! Yo, Dean! Yo! Huh? Sure.
Dada. John.
Yo, today you tell me, my youth. No bother with that, No bother with that, Today you tell me,
Dada. Yo, John, brother. I feel like a grown thing now, brother, isn't it? Well, yeah, we're going to look emergency roll up, isn't it? And right now on a live cash permanent fund. You see what I say? But yeah, we're going. I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me? Because my girl for the youth something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until the top, I tell you, honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day store this, I to them want the money, I to them, Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I not get my money still. Yeah, my youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide, say, yo, you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, for going so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you, say, oh, my girl I forward in today, you see me, with some funds, you see me? Just a little bit more time, I ask you, you see me? I don't know if you go on so dog, I meet the whole neighbor with more business, dog. Watch nothing, man. I sort out the business, man. You see me? You know me not style them with them, man. A long time you are friend.
Yeah, I hear you know. But I just how you deal with things, you know, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, you know. You say you know I'm loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you would have to reach us. Brother, you're a big man, you know. I can't believe you do me this. Me apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say a woman I come at X time. So, I'm going to see you deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me a word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as a loss. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or what? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming.
I know, say I'm a busy man still now. You see me? I know, say if nothing, probably you have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, no bullshit, dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and... Can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me have a thing prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get a thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? I'm going to the right, so I'm not going to
that's all me remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go on. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when I come back, I don't want not talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man say, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. We start out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me even spit a gun, it never reach in 15 minutes, dog. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, you know. We have to give you time. Because it look like you dig your own grave. Know yourself. 2 hour time.
Did this, you know. Yeah. Yeah, B. Oh, boy, some food in the bar. You know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me one link in a day? Yeah, man. Give me a link in a day, man. You see me? One chat to you. See if we can reach my foot. Yeah, man. Alright then. You don't know what you Well, since I say never come when time the mango did in. You see me I say? I just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can give still now ready to move. You know?
Come in like mommy, you know. Yeah, just a story the mango them say when the mango done out. I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man. But no, don't worry yourself, man. Everything will go alright, man.
You know me have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. Alright. If you need to know me, I have a situation and I have a surgery for the
Where's this? Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
For what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Come on, talk to me, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, same thing happened to mommy, you know, same thing.
Is you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
Never sleep last night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? No, some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, John. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, I don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach, man. Yeah, I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, no watch that. Everything are good. Alright. No watch that, man.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make a do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good with you? You girl there. What that?
Remember to pay your mother the money. Yeah, now go down go change and come.
Yo. I know who this still know, but I tell you what I'm going. I know if you collect in some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this, man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work, how me tell you how to work. Now here what I got, I know say I get in some money, you know. So here I go do. I want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, I'm serious them way the man you got dead.
Alright. Now go get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that man. Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
Baby, come as fast as I could want.
John, you know, say, that piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, isn't it? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over the phone. Eh? How much money you want, so?
You know, say, yo, the 50 grand, I look for borrow.
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what may I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm going to tell you say 150. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it, man. Me find out everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
Me will try.
You don't make me know, so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then you move a type of way, isn't it?
But differently not be, you know, so I think of some sort out you want, you call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, like you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try it.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What else for coming?
You're dead! You're dead!
Yo! Yo, that's man, come cross me. Yo. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, so I left the money up at Column in the creases. Here we go on, man. No, don't think say I fool me, I fool around this time around, isn't me? I don't fool me, I fool you. Me just run come did something, so I just stash it off, isn't me? So here we go on, just go up on the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
Brother, it sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are deal with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all the nests you know. Yo, which color you talk about?
You know there's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which color me. I only color me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going so daddy. I mean I tell you, I not seen upon a while go chase
you could have mad.
I tell you say the color. You see me? We just have something to deal with and I couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? I can't even explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? A whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? I'm gonna make sure so I sort out. I make sure I sort out your thing because I'm that one stress moment off my brain. So I have to just go easy, man. You see me? You don't have to bother with the one bag of loud noise, brother, and something, brother. You see me? Here we go. See there? I two phone them. I'm a car key. Two phone them car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing, them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I swear say put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But I know to my head go sometime let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in this card. No sir. No women the money.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Because here, no? Mark the words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you not there? And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo. I'll link you back in a few.
under the mattress. But nobody not come about me and Chanel there. But Chanel give me money, I put on them. You know, say I'm going to ask Chanel. I say I'm going to ask Chanel. That's really sensitive.
Like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear I see Chanel come for another little corner just for me the money on that mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl I got to take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and I'll blouse and skirt and now. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look girl, my money there. You don't know for my money. Where you say you don't do it? I better say I'm murder you know this. Hey girl. Hey girl, where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl, me say my money there. You don't know for my money there. Hey, you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need no, because she's pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what you say you do? What me so? Breathe out, why you have to breathe? Wait, backward.
Morning people, hope you like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post notifications.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look who you can put on me, but nobody knows
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And want to know if you like, subscribe, and share.
What you mean? Oh, you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they know.
You see, you straight to this. I don't know a thing, isn't it? Jamaica, big up yourself, you don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. Isn't it? Big up my mother, big up my father, isn't it? Big up the whole Atkins family. You don't know Mumpella the place, isn't it? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. Isn't it? Ease yourself, no man. Big up AV, big up Akim, big up Akim, you have to big up yourself, you know what I say? I don't know. Big up my brother and sister, them saying, yeah, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, isn't it?
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the 1 Savior and 1G. For Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them gonna look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the stuff, you know about that.
And action. And action.
Well, pause the record. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone.
See them neither do nothing.
You neither do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. You know, I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
Action.
Stop the challenge.
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me to tell yourself she'll go on the veranda with me? Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her. No, me can't say me don't see her.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother, you are going on. You know, so I treat my run.
When I want.
It's like that.
And action. check some more, man. Take a little more time and check.
I'm done, sister, she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. Action.
I know say a long time I not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So I would want that.
Yes, people, board grand once more. I'll tell you if you check into AVTV. You don't know over here so there. Yeah, man, in the east. Yeah, more you see what I go on because I'm put in the work and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound. You don't know. Your boy, Boyd Grant. Stay tuned. Up.
Action. No, don't the same.
Don't sir?
Again. And action. Action.
The spit?
Mm-hmm.
But then I'm more.
Yes, hopefully you can make it this far in the video but can talk to you. So yes people, hope you enjoy the little movie there. And if you don't make it this far and not subscribe yet, come on, it don't make sense you subscribe. Me keep you here this long, eh? Well, all of we keep you here this long. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody else, make them get some entertainment. You see me? So, yep. And if you tell no one you can look forward to, well, you don't know this channel, you get the whole works. Short films, a vlog, everything, you see me? But for the people who just strictly want to see movie anytime them get a post notification, check the pinned comments, or the first comment you will see. Will lead you to a channel that I'll only upload movies over there. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel. Over here, short films, vlog, the whole works because I don't know, me is a camera lover. Now I left my camera, we're married till death do us part, you see me? So, yeah, music videos, weddings, short films, movies, the whole works. As long as it's video, I'm in. So, thank you as always for the support. Thank you for follow me so long. Blur it not from police days. Big up on yourself, manners and respect. And Laro shall see you very, very soon. Oh, Jano. One day, I feel big up nobody when I not big up. Yo, big up everybody. Little more. Big up on yourself.